Libreng rice meal and t-shirt para sa mga customers ng 6M Pares. As always, unlimited rice yung mga silog meals and pares dito. At sa bawat visit, you can collect a stamp para makapag-avail ng discount and freebies on your 3rd, 6th, and 10th visit. And yes, pares yung flagship product nila, pero yung pinaka-kine-crave ko talaga dito ay yung sisig. Magmula nung unang visit ko sa kanila hanggang sa ngayon, eto pa rin yung order ko. Meron na rin silang cashless payments. Pwede yung GCash, Maya, and even credit card. Bago sa menu itong napakalaking chicken with iced tea, french fries, and unlimited rice. It's super crispy, tapos masarap din yung gravy. Makakailang kanin ka kaya dyan. May lechong kawali silog din, although sold out siya today. Tapos eto yung kanilang pares mami, or you can have the classic beef pares with unlimited rice. Yung pares nila dito hindi matamis, and then sakto rin lang yung thickness ng sauce. Pwede mo ring i-upgrade yung order mo into their sulit busog meals para may kasama na nitong siomai, lechong kawali, at chicharong bulaklak. And then eto, isa pa sa mga repeat order natin sa kanila ay yung beef tapa. Hindi rin matamis yung tapa nila dito. It's garlicky and savory. And then yung mga silog meals nila dito, dalawa yung egg, tapos merong konting ensalada on the side. Si Papa naman, pork chop yung order niya, and then for drinks, meron silang melon, iced tea, and pineapple, or pwede ring fresh buko juice. So the next time na maghahanap kayo ng pares, sisig, and other silog meals with only rice, itry nyo na rin dito sa 6M Pares and enjoy!